I remember going on YouTube so many times to try to find some trick or way to finally break out of this rut, get out of this habit of always not being productive, going on shorts. I remember always trying to find some secret way and asking questions of how can you stop doing this? How can you start taking more cold showers? But the real reason that I didn't want to hear, and so many people don't want to hear, is that you just have to stay consistent. You have to be disciplined. It's not a crazy answer that's going to solve world hunger, but it is going to help. Even if it is small things that you try to find secret ways to do. Like, I remember I was making eggs for my breakfast, having some delicious eggs, and as I was trying to put everything away, put the knife away, put the butter away, put the eggs away, the knife that was in my hand, it slipped. It slipped and I had almost catched it. I almost caught it and it almost cut four of my fingers. Four of my fingers where I had little scars right here. Because I try to multitask and I try to find some way to do everything at once instead of just having the discipline, really, for 5 seconds just to put everything one at a time. I was trying to open the fridge with the knife in my hand like this, and then, whoa, it dropped, what a surprise. Trying to find some secret trick can even harm you. When I was vacuuming, it was a little boring, so I wanted to listen to something. I wanted to listen to some productive thing, to do two productive things at once, two birds, one stone. But as I was spending that time, minute after minute after minute, as the vacuum machine was still running, after trying to find something productive and get the right thing and no, this isn't good enough, I spent 20 minutes, 30 minutes trying to find something productive to listen to. And it literally would have taken me 20 minutes to finish up my vacuuming. 10 minutes even. I just had like two rooms left. I just needed to have discipline for 20 minutes. And then I would have gotten it done. Instead, I wasted 30 minutes and then had to spend another 20 minutes vacuuming. And then because of that, I felt terrible about myself. My attention was spread out with everything that I was trying to do, and I wasn't able to focus on the next thing I wanted to do. I wasn't able to be as productive just because I tried to find some secret way to be productive. Sometimes all you really need is just to have some discipline. To just do it. Don't overthink about it. Don't think, oh, should I listen to this thing, just do the thing. Also, I know, I have another story, wow. I was trying to eat something, and then instead of just eating it, I was like, no, I gotta watch something on YouTube too. I gotta go on my phone too, because it'll be more productive. And then I spent more time trying to find something on my phone, and I wasn't able to enjoy my food. When you do things at once, and you don't try to overthink it, you don't try to overcomplicate it, just do the thing. Sometimes you really have to do is just do the thing. You're not gonna find some magic trick, some way out to escape all your problems in life. Sometimes you just have to face the problem right on and then attack it. Just attack it, start punching at it. Don't get someone else to punch it at you, or maybe if you just spit on it, the problem will go away. Sometimes you just have to swing and swing and swing to knock it out. Same thing with cold showers. You can't overthink doing a cold shower, and you can't try to find some magic trick. Yeah, maybe you can turn it warm and then cold, but the best way to do a cold shower and to get the most out of it, to get that discipline from doing that cold shower, is just to don't overthink it. Just do it right away. Just jump, like don't even think about it. Just turn it on, go in the shower, and boom, you did a cold shower. Now you feel amazing. I did this today, and maybe that's why I'm able to do so much productive things in my day. Maybe that's why I don't have to multitask on a million things. I'm able to do more in my life. And the things that are hard to do and does require discipline, it's supposed to be hard. That's why it requires discipline. It's supposed to be challenging. It's supposed to be hard, and we're supposed to do it, especially when we don't feel like it. So trying to find some crazy trick to get out of it. It might help sometimes, but I don't even think you should rely on that, because you're taking away the discipline and the rewards and benefits from actually doing the hard thing if you try to find some crazy way to do this faster or do this and this. This is the solution to your problems. Just have some discipline, stay consistent at it, and do it. It's some boring answer, but your life should be more boring so that when you don't have all that dopamine, you're able to do the hard things. Because your life is so boring, it's fun to do the hard work. Listen to this. Take action and start doing this today. Take a cold shower, go outside, talk to someone, work out, do something. Because there's not going to be some magic way every single time. If you want something that you can do right now, that is some type of magic trick, is to join my Discord community, because our community has tons of disciplined men who are willing to do a lot of things in their life, who also don't try and do everything as a magic trick, who also want to improve themselves and are constantly learning and improving. And you can join us with that pursuit of being the best that our potential can be. If you found this video helpful or interesting, you found the right channel. Click and watch this video right here. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos like these to try to help you improve your life every single day. Join my Discord community in the description. Yeah, sometimes you just need some discipline. Sometimes you just need to stay consistent, and that's okay, because 99% of people aren't able to do that. So I'll see you later. Peace.